Greetings all, just a little video review of a small freebie kit I got sent by Lego, kit 40409 Hot Rod. This is a replica of the original Blue Fury Hot Rod, issued in 1995. They're giving away a few of these if you spend some money with them this month. And let's have a look at it. Good little 1 hour project for our lass. I think it's great. Fantastic little bit of kit. Not too complicated, just the 4 stickers. Certainly looks like a hot rod. Different size tyres, smaller at the front, larger at the back. Lights front and back. Open top. Little windscreen, single seater. And open pistons. A little bit. Again, you know, there's a trend for being really generous with spares, and this came with 10 little spares for just a small kit. Also got a spanner, yippee, another spanner, and a hammer for the mechanic. And that's the little mechanic, little ponytail lass with a baseball cap that's fixed to a hair. And then the bespeckled driver. Looks a bit like Harry Potter myself, but there you go. And there was only just the 5 stickers, little tiny sheet here just for the stickers. But there you go. So why don't you go and spend a little bit of money online or at the shop this month, and you get this little hot rod car. Yeah, nice little freebie. Quite solid as well for the little thing. So, yeah. Hope you're well. Take care. See you soon. Bye.